welcome back to episode 2 of Project S13 today. Yeah, my girlfriend is holding the camera today, so go ahead and say hey.
Hey!
Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to do a little bit of a rate reduction. So we're going to be removing the back seats, and we also going to be removing stuff from the trunk, the little liner and shit. Not the whole liner, just some parts, seat belts and shit as much as we can back here. Well, I got time until next week, but right now, that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, we're going to take these seats out.
Alrighty.
God's got to do it. So you pull this and you move it up. There we go. Whew. Started to get more room back here. I wonder what this go to. So dirty! I'm sorry! Ooh! Got me some wrenches. I didn't know I had it.
Wow.
This some tin too. Got a swivel on it. Hold up. So, we'll get these off next. And it's kind of more roomy back here now, ain't it?
Right.
Yeah. So I can take that off. Hold on, it's a swivel on it. I gotta flip it the other way. Yeah, there you go. You're probably looking like why I'm using a goddamn swivel wrench. Yeah. As you can see right here, we got most of it gutted out. Most of the interior is like stripped down to the point. It's like, God. I didn't realize there was so much shit back here. But what we're gonna do is try to remove this top piece if we can. If not, I'm probably gonna leave it for right now. But other than that, I mean, we're getting it so far, so we'll try to remove it if we can. Yep, you can remove it. Yep, there you go. Oh, there we go.
Well, guys, he is doing his little light thing right now. About everything out though. It looks completely different. Car been through a lot, hasn't it, Hezekiah?
Yeah. Trying to move it slowly.
Yeah.
Got it.
He finally got it off, y'all.
Alright, anyway, y'all, we're gonna turn it on. Me and my girl gonna ride in the car and see how loud it's gonna sound. I should have got a clip with it before, like a before and after, but we ain't gonna do all that. Yeah, so we're gonna turn it on with the power pack right here. So yeah, let's get it started. Yeah, y'all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how it sounds. Right now it actually sounds a little bit louder. Not too loud, but we're gonna see. It still sounds quiet, don't it? Still sound. Oh no, that sounds a little bit louder. Shit. What? Now I'm talking about how loud it is.
It does sound so much louder, you guys.